April Rogers, 71 years old and confined to a wheelchair, was asleep in her home like any other night. Nothing seemed out of the ordinary until something began moving in the kitchen, something crashing, shuffling, heavy footsteps that didn't make sense. When she reached the kitchen, she came face to face with something no one expects to see indoors, a black bear, rummaging through her home like it owned the place. Startled, it lashed out, striking April across the face and neck as it tried to escape. In a terrifying blur, her kitchen turned into chaos. Trash scattered, blood on the floor. Alone and severely injured, April did what few could believe. She dragged herself across the house to reach a phone and call for help. Despite multiple fractures to her head and neck, she got through. Emergency responders rushed her to a hospital where surgeons worked for 6 hours to repair the damage. The physical wounds are severe, but the fact that she survived at all is something even the doctors called extraordinary. Officials are still searching for the bear. In a town of just 600 people, bear break-ins are rare, but on that night, April found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time and somehow made it out alive.